How to make money with ChatGPT and AI. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an absolutely incredible and amazing day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we are going to be talking about ChatGPT and how we can use ChatGPT and other AI platforms to make easy money, okay? And yes, I get it. A lot of people nowadays are into making, money, and, easy money is everyone's thing. Everyone wants to just sit in the warmth of their home and just, not do a lot of work and make a lot of good money. Okay. And I get it because I want that too. But obviously, you're going to have to do a little work, but trust me, it's going to be made much easier using ChatGPT. And obviously, we're going to be using it all and discussing it all in great depth. So, please do make sure to fully watch this video till the end and listen to all the information and data I have to provide you with, because if you do that properly and you do that till the end, then I guarantee you that fully till the end we together are actually going to learn how you can use this amazing chatbot to make yourself some great money in 2023. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So to start things off, what we are going to be doing is, first of all, we're going to come to ChatGPT, the main powerhouse of all AIs, and we're actually going to ask it. So let's say our niche right now to make money is content creation, because let me show you. There's a lot of gigs on, let's say I'm going to go on Fiverr. Okay, here's Fiverr. Go on fiverr.com, freelance services marketplace. And once you're on Fiverr, we're going to go ahead and let's search for any service. Let's go ahead and write yeah, let's say social media manager or ads, or maybe you can write caption. Let's just write captions. Okay, now as you can see, these people over here, they create subtitles, or they create captions, or subtitle captions, subtitle closed captions. They just add different types of texts, or wait, let me go in writing and translation. People also write articles and blog posts. Now this person writes exceptional SEO blog post for Google page 1, and this person charges, like, I assume this is around $50, like $50 for just writing an SEO blog post. That is absolutely crazy and really out of this world stuff. And then moving on, again, if you go in writing and translation, you have creative writing, you have website content, you have content reading, and, like, people charge quite a lot of money. Like this person, right? She is writing a powerful and engaging website, and she's charging around, like, this is $150, which is crazy. So, a lot of money can be charged for these things, and people actually pay them. So, let's go ahead and discuss how we're going to do this. So, we're going to come here on ChatGPT and we're going to write me, like, let's say you put up an ad and someone says to write a blog post for their blog about, cats, okay, or cat food. So, write me a SEO Google page 1 blog post about cats. Okay, let's add that. Unleashing the feline fascination, exploring the world of cats. In a world brimming with diverse creatures, one animal has captured the hearts and imagination of people worldwide. Now, as you can see, it doesn't only, like, give you, like, over the top things, it actually gives you the whole bit. Like, it gives you everything with every single detail. Like, it's not just a general idea of what you're gonna write. It's a whole scheme of, like, it's a whole scenario. And like, once you realize how good this is, it just makes life so much easier for you. And obviously, it's really great stuff when you actually think about it, because it gives you a general, like, just an output of how things can be, or how easy things can be when you're actually, like, using a chatbot like this. Now, let's say this was obviously SEO and stuff. You can also use this for affiliate marketing, okay? Now, this was obviously the Fiverr and stuff. You can make money over there. Now, you can also use stuff for affiliate marketing. Now, how do we do that? Basically, let's say you're an Amazon affiliate and you have an Amazon product. How do you make money? Let's say we're going to go on Pinterest, okay? Let's go on Pinterest, okay? And we're going to make a pin on Pinterest where we're going to actually add our affiliate product. So we're going to come here, create. We're going to go on create pin, okay? Now here, it says add your title, add your description, add a destination link, and add a photo. In add your title, we're going to add our SEO title for our product. In description, we're going to add the description for our product. And in the destination link, we're going to add our product key that we get from Amazon. And then in the photo, we're going to upload a photo. Now, obviously, by now you've known that we can get the title description from GPT. Where are we going to get the photo from? Let me tell you. We are going to use DALL-E 2. Okay, you're probably not fond of DALL-E 2, but DALL-E 2 is an absolutely amazing AI, and obviously it's made by the same people that made ChatGPT, OpenAI, okay? And DALL-E is basically a prompt-based art creator, okay? It basically creates art for you based off of prompts, and that's what we're going to be doing. So let's say write a SEO product description about, let's say, Razer headphones, okay, with a good title. Okay, now let's write this, and while that is being made, obviously it's Razer headphones, right? So we're gonna come in DALL-E, okay? Now, it doesn't necessarily need to be like most people are like, oh, you need like a proper digital camera to take a picture of your Razer headphone products and you need it from all angles. That's not always the case. You could always just come in DALL-E and write Razer headphones, and let's just enter it. Obviously, you can add more prompts like Razer headphones on a table, good lighting, HD, and stuff like that. Like you can write all of that, but obviously it's not necessary. So as you can see in the matter of seconds, it has created a product over there. And look at how cool and retro these look. So let's say I'm going to go with this. This one looks pretty nice. So I'm going to go with that. And I'm going to download this pic. Okay. Now, while this pic is being saved and downloaded, there we go. We're going to come here. Okay. Here's the title. Copy. You're going to go to Pinterest. Paste it here. And then obviously you're going to paste your description over here. You're going to add the product key link, which is the destination link. So if someone clicks on this link, they're going to be linked to your Amazon affiliate page where you're going to get your commission. And obviously in this place, you're going to add the photo that we just picked off. So great stuff. And then you're just going to publish and everything will be good to go. So that's how you can make money using ChatGPT and other types of AI in 2023. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.